believe it or not, I was eating a crystal and I bit into it, and my tooth just came loose. My front tooth came loose, and I went to my regular dentist, if you will, and he looked it over, and there was nothing he could do. He actually sent me to another specialist to see if they could do a root canal. And of course, that was out of the question. And then, of course, it was on a Friday. He asked me to come, see Dr. Randall, and here I am. And she said they recommended an implant, and I was scared, never had an implant before, but she put me at ease. The whole office put me at ease. Well, they kind of walked me through the procedure, early on, and full disclosure, I was in so much pain and so ready to get this taken care of. I was ready. I'm on. Sign me up. I'm on board. From day one, I felt like I was at the right place. I call her the maestro of good customer service. I had my first, maintenance checkup about a month ago, I believe, and everything is, as expected, performing as expected, if you will. So I'm fit. I'm doing very well with it. Being able to smile confident and not having to worry about the device that you had, the temporary device that I had in my mouth falling out or something like that. And even then, with that device, it was still hard to eat stuff. I had to eat everything on one side of my mouth or chew with my back teeth because the fear of it coming out while I eat. So, it was, gosh, I feel a whole lot more comfortable with what she's done to my front tooth.